Now let us see how to find out the elevation profile using Google Earth Pro. To find out the elevation profile, you will need the highest elevation point and the lowest ground level. So we will find out the elevation profile of the Himalayan areas. So we will type here Himalayas. So this is the Himalayan areas. So we will select first add path option. Give the name as elevation. And drag it over here. We will start drawing a path from here. We have completed path. You can change the style and color. First change the color. You can change the width. To see the elevation, just go to edit and select here show elevation profile. So here there is a graph showing the minimum, average and the maximum elevation. So the minimum elevation is 2925, the average elevation is 3940 and the maximum elevation is 4786 meter. So total distance we have covered is 32.3 kilometer. As you can see, the highest elevation is 4786 meter. As you are moving with it, arrow is also moving with the path and we are going steeper and steeper to the ground surface. From here, there is a increase in elevation. And again it is going in downward direction towards the ground. So this is how you can see the elevation profile in Google Earth Pro. Thank you.